Hello everyone, welcome to AdCreative AI. I'm super excited because we are announcing a completely new feature called storytelling ads. Basically, storytelling ads is a new ad type where you give a URL of your website, and what it does is that it goes ahead and generates videos for you. And video actually has several components. What it first does is that it goes ahead and it uses our AdLLM. This is the world's first large language model trained with high converting ad text. So this large language model kind of knows what works on the market. So your website, after it's scanned, it goes to our AdLLM, which writes the scripts. So the scripts of what kind of story it's going to be. Then each script is going ahead to our stock image generation of AdCreative AI and generates a different visual for each scene. And from that step, it goes ahead to text to voice. So we also generate the voiceovers, and after that we gather them all together literally in a matter of seconds, and you get a high converting ad videos, which is called storytelling ads. And the reason that we call it a storytelling ads is that recently we have done this case study, which I'm going to put it on the screen, and you're going to see that it has a great return on ad spend compared to any other type. And since we've seen that storytelling ads where you build this need, or where you get the attention of the person who scrolls down, this type of videos perform extremely well, and we said, okay, let's go ahead, build a feature where people can do this at scale. So let's go ahead, select the square size, but if you want to do Reels, or if you want to do any other format like stories, portrait, landscape for YouTube, etc., you can do it. Let's select square for the sake of this example, and I'm gonna go ahead and put a URL of my website. In this example, I selected Zillow. So let's go ahead, put Zillow, click on scan my website. You see that as soon as I click on scan, what it's gonna do is that it's gonna go to the website, get the language, the target audience, the call to action used on the website, and all the product description. So if I go with Zillow example, it's probably gonna give me a lot of house types, like with gardens, etc. But I want to do something specific here. Please make. So I already wrote something. Please make it about New York Manhattan flats. So I really want this ad to be about Manhattan, because let's say that I own Zillow and I need something about our New York offering, right? If I'm happy with this, I'm just going to click on next step, and I'm going to select our voice over artist. So these are all AI voices, and you can just click on the play button, so choose the one you like.
Hello and welcome to AdCreative AI.
Okay.
Hello and welcome to AdCreative AI.
That's cool.
Hello and welcome to AdCreative.
That's also nice. I think I'm going to go with Alexander, and let's click on generate. Basically, what it does that AdCreative AI first goes ahead, reads your brand, what you have, collects the best practices on the market. Keep in mind that AdCreative AI at this point has over 3 million users around the world, and these 3 million users mean 3 million learnings from different countries, from different target audiences, and for each creative generation that we have, we actually leverage this data. And the third one is it's gonna go ahead and generate all the images, all the voiceover from the text that we have. And when it comes to the last step, what it does is that it actually gathers all these different components that we generate using AI, and every single thing is actually generated 100% using AI, because you've seen it, there was absolutely no input in terms of what kind of script do I have, what's gonna be high conversion rate. I only told AI in the custom request part that I would like this to be about New York Manhattan flats. And the videos are already ready, so let's go ahead directly watch 3 of them super fast to see. You're gonna see that they're gonna be all under 1 minute, because that's the market right now. That's what works on the market right now. Nobody wants to watch ads that are 4, 5, 6 minutes ads unless you're running some super specific ads. So let's watch the first one.
Picture yourself in the heart of Manhattan, surrounded by the iconic skyline and vibrant lifestyle. With Zillow, find the perfect flat that matches your style and needs. We promise a seamless experience with personalized.
Great stuff. Let's go with another one.
Dreaming of a chic Manhattan flat, but don't know where to start? Imagine waking up to breathtaking city views, surrounded by the vibrant heart of New York. Zillow's comprehensive platform connects you with the best listings.
Great one.
Imagine waking up to the iconic skyline of Manhattan every day. With Zillow, finding your...
As you can see, all of them has conversion scores, and basically what the conversion score is that it kind of tells you which ones are going to perform the best. And what it does is that when we write a script using AdLLM, since AdLLM has, if I'm not mistaken, the latest data set was 840 million high converting ad text, we basically know what kind of text perform the best. So when we write a script, when we write a story, actually AdLLM knows what's going to be the performance. It's actually knowing the very precise click-through rate that you're going to be getting. Since AdLLM knows all this data, since it's the only large language model that can do this, we can actually give you conversion score that is going to be very precise, and it basically says 95, 94, 94. And if you tell me to find why they're all over 90, and the reason in this example is that actually AdCreative AI in behind, each time you click on generate, we generate 30 different scripts, and when we generate 30 different scripts, we get the ones with the highest conversion score, and we render those ones. Clearly we cannot give 30 different videos. That would require a very big computing power, and even for your computer and for your internet, that would be very high amount of videos to download. So we give you the highest 3 that is predicted to convert. So that's storytelling ads. It opens a lot of different doors with different URLs, with different, like if it was Zillow, you could literally use a different URL of different flat in Manhattan that you're selling, and you would get a lot of high conversion rates images for each one of your flats, and everything's going to be generated by AI. And let's say that in this scene, I don't want to use this scene, I want to use a different scene. I'm going to click on edit, and as you can see here, I can actually click there, take this out, go to our stock images, and right here, New York, search for our stock images. Keep in mind that all of our users have 100% access to all Getty images, premium Getty images, including many free images. So this looks way more realistic because it's not generated by AI. And if I'm happy with this, I'm just going to click here. That's normally almost a $13 image, which you get it for $0 because you have a paid subscription at AdCreative AI, which is included. If you're happy with this, all you need to do is click on apply, and what it's going to do is that for that specific scene, it's going to change it with the one that you applied. That's it. And when you render, you're going to have the 4K version of that visual ready to go. And as you can see, you can change any other thing. You can literally change any text that is generated, any images, using the ones that you can upload your own product photo, or you can select some of the stock images. You can change the subtitle style to any style that you want to. Then you can go to voiceover and again change it if you're happy with Alexander, but not you want to go to Diana now, that's completely okay. And when it comes to music, we also again use Getty Images music stock image engine that it has. It's fully commercially free, so you can use it in your ads without any issues at all, and you can basically use them in any project that you have. So as you can see, also anything can be edited after generation. And that's it. That's storytelling ads. I know that we generated for ads, we created this for ads, but from our beta users, we've seen that a lot of people actually went ahead and created YouTube channels, starting posting 2-3 times YouTube shorts. Some people created Instagram channels, Instagram accounts where they actually start sharing a lot of different videos on Instagram Reels. So basically, there is a big potential. People love watching such videos and they perform very well. And up there, when we were setting up on the second step, you can tell AI what would you like to have, and on there you can actually say that, hey, I want this to be about New York flats, and can you please mention that, I don't know, we have such an offer, or you can say that we have this visit in next week. Or if you're selling pizzas, you can say that, can you please mention that there is buy one get one free every Saturday, etc. So whatever custom request you have, you can actually tell it to the AI and it's gonna mention it in the video. That's it. Keep in mind that if you're not an AdCreative AI user, in the first 7 days you have 10 absolutely free credits, so you can sign up, you can try, you can generate so many videos. Keep in mind that we are the only platform on the planet where we never charge you, where we never ask money when you generate a visual. We are so confident in our technology, we are so confident that you're gonna like one image, and when you like an image, then that's when you use your credits. Until then, you can generate literally infinite amount of videos, infinite amount of creatives, and you never use your credits till you like a visual, an asset that you like. And keep in mind that when you don't finish a credit, it actually rolls to the next month. So you are actually, as long as you're with us, your credits are never lost. That's it, and I'll see you on the next video because we have a lot of features coming.